Okay, we are live, guys. I'm gonna officially start my live in the next, let's say in the next 11 minutes. The reason why I did start a little bit early is because I want to just basically explain um, everything with this live stream and why I'm doing this live stream. First of all, I haven't done a live stream in the past 2 years. Okay, so this is my basically is is new. Okay, guys, it's new. So we're just going to look into the market today, and I'm just a bit shocked because I haven't actually done a live stream in so long, guys. So yeah. Anyways, so I haven't done a live stream in so long, but we're gonna look at gold, Euro USD. We're gonna do market analysis. I'm gonna explain to you guys what trades I was in last week, or basically this week as well, like a weekly summary, and also what my forecast is for the next week. So even if you guys are not watching right now and you're watching after the live, nothing to worry about. You haven't missed anything because the market is not moving on a Saturday, so you are lucky. But I am going to try implement weekly live streams rather than videos, because I feel like as a trader you want, I do analysis on the market, you know, every weekend, every single day, to be honest. I'm looking at the market, but I think it makes it a little bit easier for me when I'm just live streaming it, and it makes it a bit more entertaining for you guys, because you can actually see how I'm looking at the market. Yes, there will be some mistakes. Yes, there will be some errors in this live stream, but you know, I haven't done a live stream in 2 years, but you know, you get to see my steps on how to analyze the market. You get to see what pairs I did trade this week, if I took wins, if I took losses. So we're going to look into the market. So I'm going to actually look into the market in the next 10 minutes. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk about my plans for the next few weeks. On the title, it does say week 39. That doesn't mean that I've done 39 live streams. That's basically, we're in the 39th week of the year. Okay, there's 52 weeks in a year. We're in the 39th week, and I want to basically try and make it organized so that you guys can look back on, let's say, the 39th week or the 50th week, and you get to see, okay, this is what the analysis was on the market, so you don't get confused on, you know, however live streams I do. So when I used to do live streams back in 2 years ago, I was doing live streams every single day. Now, the reason why I stopped was just because I just didn't have time. Reading the markets every single day, my trading literally went to we want to see weekly. Yes, sir. Thank you, mama. So yeah, literally, we're going to do live streams every week instead, because doing live streams every single day, it kind of just went in my way. Especially, I'm not trading every single day, and the way I trade is now I trade in just before London session. So, or I try to trade in London session or New York session. Now I was doing live streams in New York session, and it just wasn't making sense for me, because I just kept missing trades, and I was already in the market before, and it just didn't make sense for me to just do everyday live streams. And also, your boy gets busy, okay? Your boy gets busy, and I did take a year's gap as well. Well, not really a year. I took, I think I took like around like 9 months gap in trading. I did not trade for 9 months straight. Didn't look at the market. Didn't even have any interest in research or anything like that. Just literally didn't even look at the market at all. I didn't even know where gold was. I took a break only because I was, you know, in my first year of uni, and I just didn't look at the markets really. It just was a break. I think it's good to take a break sometimes. It's good to just relax your mind. But when I got back on the markets, and as soon as I got back, went right back at it, educated myself again, remarked the charts, went right back into it, started trading again. So we're back with live streams, guys. I've actually been on YouTube. I'm back on YouTube as well. As you can see, we're getting very, very consistent. We're getting back to our usual routine. We're about to take over YouTube. Well, not really again, but we were doing really, really well 2 years ago. But we're about to take over YouTube for real this time, and actually show you how YouTube trading can be for someone as young as me. I'm 21 years old. back when I used to do live streams, I was 19, 18 years old. So your boy was doing crazy stuff at 18, 19 years old with the markets, you know, making crazy numbers. But this time we're going to be more disciplined. This time we're going to be more mature in the markets. And that's why I wanted to just make sure the live stream, before I started the live stream, we talk about that. Now, in case you don't know me, this is MullaFx. My name is Mubashir. I'm a trader. I've been trading for almost 3 years. And yes, the market's been great for me. It's been amazing. I've had a lot of students message me. I had a whole academy 2 years ago, and I stopped everything for a whole year. I came back again in in February this year. I was trading from last year, but I wasn't trading as much. But I came officially back on social media in February, and I've just been killing it. We've gained so much subscribers on Instagram. I've made a brand new Instagram as well, called MullaFx Academy, and yeah, I've literally just went back into. I was already into the markets, but I wanted to go back onto YouTube. I feel like YouTube is something that is like my safe space, something where I can show you guys my trading plans, show you my journey. I'm not super crazy rich in Forex yet. I do know that Forex is something that I love, I have passion for, and I want to show you guys. But yeah, it's been a hell of a ride this year as well. We're in October soon. Literally last day of September, we're going to be in October, and the market so far, as you can see in gold, has just been crazy. We are going to look at the markets properly. We are definitely going to look at the markets properly in the next 5 minutes. The reason why I'm just trying to start exactly at 8, because I did tell my Discord servers that I am starting my YouTube video at 8. Let me actually send my Discord server the live link, so that they are all on here as well, because I haven't done a live stream in so long, and I know that no one's going to be prepared for this. I literally didn't even let me just write link for the live stream. Everyone, for you guys that are watching this video after the live, you can literally just skip. I'm going to try get like a timestamp, or if someone on the chat can get a timestamp when I start. I'm literally going to start in the next 4 minutes. But yeah, I'm going to also, let's get Instagram. Let's do some Instagram. Or let's just get you lot on here. So my Instagram. You lot are going to see the behind the scenes as well. We are live on YouTube, so make sure you go click the link and check me out on YouTube, guys. We are live after 2 years. Let's go. Let's just put the link in and then we'll get started. So again, if you're watching this live afterwards, you lot are definitely confused, but just skip to wherever the timestamp is. Hopefully by then I'll have a timestamp. But yeah, get ready for live streams like every week. I'm definitely going to try implement live streams every week. That's something that I'm definitely planning to do. For the past 3 weeks, I haven't posted on Discord as well. 3-4 weeks I haven't posted on Discord. That is because I want to focus on YouTube. YouTube was the thing I first started with, and I never ended. I don't like doing things and just not completing it. I feel like I just haven't completed YouTube. I haven't got a routine for YouTube. All over the place with YouTube. I have so many videos for you guys. I just don't post it. It's annoying. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just focus on YouTube. For the past 2-3 weeks, I haven't posted on Discord. That doesn't mean I'm trading. We are still trading. We're still in the market. I'm still looking at the markets every single week, every single day. I'm looking at the markets, and yeah, we're about to start the live stream officially in the next 2 minutes. Again, if you lot are watching, you can skip. But yeah, looking at the markets for the past 7-8 months, I've been properly invested into the market. Hasn't taken any days off, only because the way I was trading 2 years ago, it was very on and off. The way I was trading even last year, I was kind of trading on and off. It was very weird. This year I was like, let me put my mind into this. Let me actually just do trade and social media as well at the same time, and let's kill the game. So yeah, we're gonna start our live stream soon. Just to let you guys know, we're going to be looking at Euro USD. Definitely going to be looking at Euro USD. We actually had a trade. This is 2 weeks ago, by the way, guys. I have not traded Euro USD. For some reason, it just moves too slow for me. But I do trade it. But we're going to look at this market real quick as well. I definitely already see things going on. If you don't want me to look at a specific pair, just write down in the comments below. I will definitely check it out. I don't know how long this live stream is going to be. I'm going to try and make an hour. Not too long for you guys. But Euro USD. We'll look at GBP USD as well. I don't actually trade GBP USD, but we can look at it as well. Pretty much, I used to trade it a lot, so I'll be able to I do some market analysis on this as well. Definitely looking at gold. Gold is the pair that I look at all the time. Let me just undo that. Yeah, gold is something, as you can see, gold is messy. I need to clean this chart up as well, so we're going to go through that as well. And also I'm going to look at, what other pairs should we look at? Let's have a look. Let's look at USD. Is it USD? No, GPJPY. Let's look at GPJPY because I know GPJPY is also hitting. I forgot the 1 day. Is also about to hit my 60. My one of my fib levels. Actually, I'm not going to tell you guys. We're gonna go look at that as well because if I expose everything now, you lot are not going to watch the whole stream. So we are, GPJPY, XUSD, Euro USD, and GP USD. We're going to look all of those. We might even slap on some fundamental analysis as well for you guys. But let's get started. It's 8 o'clock p.m. We are live with a weekly analysis, a weekly forecast for you guys. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what pairs I traded in the past week. I'm actually going to get MetaTrader out. I'm actually going to look at my MetaTrader as well because I can't remember exactly what trades I took. So last week I took gold, literally all gold last week. Gold killed me literally the beginning of the week, but the last 2 days of gold was crazy. But yeah, my account is looking healthy. It's looking healthy, but literally all gold. We traded Euro JPY, Euro USD 2 weeks ago, and then I think that's it. I don't really trade any other pairs. But yeah, Euro JPY, I trade that as well, but not as much. But yeah, just looking at the market. So let's go look at the market. Let's have a look at the market. So let's look at Euro USD, something that I've been looking at for a while. As you can see, our charts are messy at the moment. We're going to clean it up, but overall on the 1 day time frame, we can see that Euro USD is on a downwards push. I don't even know why that's not an arrow. Let's make this into an arrow. Yeah, but it's in a downtrend. Okay. Now, as you can see, my key levels. So we got, the 1.05, the 1.06. It just is being respected really well, and also 1.07 is being respected as well. Let me just adjust the screen for you guys, just the camera real quick so you lot can see me. But yeah, literally looking at Euro USD, we are on a downtrend. We've had really strong downwards push. If your bias is bullish, I don't know what you guys are doing with yourself. You're really going to be high in your pockets. Literally follow the trend. So yeah, we ended the week on a really nice rejection candlestick. That is really nice. If we just scale in real quick, that's a really nice rejection candlestick, possibly telling me that we could be heading downwards to break levels. We could be heading towards the downside to break levels. Let me just look at the 4 hours quickly. Let's have a look what's going on. At the moment, I feel like this trend line is definitely going to be respected. I'm definitely going to extend this trend line. I feel like the way the market's going to be moving next week is I could low-key see a head and shoulders. I don't know if you lot can see that. Shoulder, and obviously we've got the head right over here that respects our key level 1.05. We can see that our shoulders are respecting 1.05, yeah, and my shoulders are respecting 1.055. So we could actually see a potential push to the trend line, then a continuous just push towards the downside. Oops, towards the downside. So something like that we could be seeing, but I'm definitely want to see this trend line getting respected. Definitely want to see that, especially. Let's have a look if we can get a fib out and have a look if it will respect our fib as well. So if I just draw a fib, yeah, the 78.6, definitely going to hit that fib. It respects it because even our support over here is soon, because we're on a downtrend, will soon become resistance. So I'm definitely going to see that. We could potentially, if I want to be cheeky, we could potentially place a buy over here on Monday opening, take profit all the way up here, and stop loss just below here, giving us a nice 1-to-3 ratio. That's a really nice trade that I'm looking at for next week. Actually, that would be a nice trade. Yeah, especially we got some rejection, but even on the 1 day though, we can see that we have a really strong rejection candlestick here. So price could actually potentially just go down. So we always got to take that into account with the market. But again, that could be some sort of, for example, here we had some nice rejection, possibly showing us that price could be going up, but then it just crashed down. So we have really strong bearish momentum. We could just see price, you know, just slandering down, just keeps going down. But I wouldn't mind starting off the week around here. This would be something that I wouldn't mind starting off the week down here and ending off the week definitely trying to break this low over here. Let's see if there's any potential any new key levels we could put down there. So the 1.04500, that's another key level that we could put. If I just draw it out, 1.0500 right here. Yeah, we have really nice rejections here as well, really nice support over here. We could extend this out all the way over here. We could potentially see that next week, 1.045. That's something that we can definitely see. What do you guys think? Make sure you go write down in the comments below what you guys think with Euro USD. Again, if you guys want me to look at a pair, just comment down below. I'll look into it, show you guys what I think price is heading to. But I definitely want to see price respect my trend line because it just makes sense. On the 4 hours, it just makes sense. Obviously, on the 1 day, it doesn't. But on the 4 hours, it's clear of day. We could see some sort of head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. It makes a lot of sense. It really just depends on fundamental news. But I definitely will see. We will see a gap in the market where price will potentially just start from here and then just literally just make its way down there throughout the week. I think I will be biased on sales. But let's look at the next pair. Which will be a little bit longer, is GBP USD, because I haven't marked this chart up. So we're going to look at this together and just have a look what's going on with GBP USD. Just looking at it at the moment, we can see we got some nice key levels at right now. We can see prices rejecting at a key level. Prices at a key level, guys. If I just go all the way back here, 1.22, let's just make it, because I got OCD, let's make it exactly 22. We can see that price has a really nice support at this level, which could be a potential area of interest. Okay, that's an area of interest that we like. We also got 1.23, which I'm going to mark up as well, 1.23. Make it all accurate. Again, over here it was really nice support. Overall, we are in a downwards trending market. Why? Because price has price has broken structure. Price has broken this structure. It is now going towards the downside. Potentially could respect the lows over here, which is 1.18. I don't think price would end up going to 1.18 in the next week. That is quite a big push, but you can see throughout the last week we've had really strong push. It's around, how many pips did we make it last week? So around 200 pips we saw last week. So we could see that replication again next week. We could see that again, just pushing down But clearly looking at this candlestick as well, really, really strong. Let's go on the 4 hours. Let's just get some targets as well. Let's put 1.21. Let's put 1.21 on the charts as well. 1.21 right here, and then also 1.22. Sorry, 1.2 right here. We'll just put these both as well as targets. So what I'm seeing is, if we just go down here, you can see we have a really nice, look at this downwards push momentum. Again, let's get our fib out. Let's have a look where our retracement could be, where we could possibly, wow, 61.8 extensions on 1.23, guys. You couldn't get anything better than that. So price could really potentially, you know, make its way up to our one of our key levels and just push its way down. I think that's something that I'm looking at next week. Definitely looking for some sort of sells next week for GPUSD as well. If you are trading that pair, definitely look at that 1 to 5 ratio. That's if you want to be on the safe side and go for the 1.21. If we just draw support right here as well, yeah, that's if you want to be in the safe side. If you want to, we can have TP2 right here as well, TP2. But yeah, literally just TP1, TP2. Definitely we'll look at that. Let's draw that down. TP1, oops, TP1 right here, and in this area, and then definitely TP2. Ooh, TP2 over here, TP2, definitely in this area as well. So that's something that I'm looking at with GBPUSD if I am going to sell. TP1 and TP2, 1.21 and then 1.2 on the dot. I'm expecting it next week. Only because price literally did it here. So if price can do this in a week, I'm expecting it to do it again. Even let's say if it's over here, I'm expecting it literally to do exactly the same thing because we are on a downwards push, downwards momentum market. Looking at trend lines, there's not really any nice trend lines in this market. We are on the 4 hours, not really any nice trend lines. Could count that as a trend line, but I won't even bother trading trend lines. All I'll do is break and retest, break and retest. You know, price broke, retest, price broke, retest, price broke, retested, price then dip, broke, retested again, broke, hasn't really retested, possibly gonna see another retest. It just kept breaking here, hasn't done its retest, but we should see some sort of retest on GPUSD. So that's something that I'm looking forward to with GPUSD. Let's look at, what was the other pairs that we were meant to look at this week? Let's look at, that was actually really, really quick. we didn't even, the market was clear when we were on GPUSD. We marked out really, really quick, literally less than 5 minutes. That's crazy. Normally it takes me like 10-15 minutes to mark up a chart, but we did that really, really quick. I think because GPUSD, it's such a fast, such an easy pair to mark up. For me personally, I used to trade GPUSD. Well, actually, let's have a look at DXY quickly, see what's going on with the dollar index to see, is dollar index going up or down? It's going up. So yeah, dollar's getting stronger. So if dollar's getting stronger, that means GBUSD is definitely going to just continue going downwards. Definitely going to continue going downwards. What do you guys think? You think USD is going to be strong next week? I feel like we could. Next week is going to be CPI news as well as NFP Friday. So USD, if it gains strength by the end of the week, then we would see some crazy markets next week. It is the first of the month tomorrow. So tomorrow. So it is very important to know that at the beginning of the month there are crazy news, so you are prepared for the market. So next week, make sure you are being safe with your stop loss. For example, if I'm going to trade a sell over here, rather than, you know, I'll keep my stop loss right here and still get, you know, if I go for TP2, TP1's kind of terrible in this one, but if you go for TP2, you go for a nice 1 to 2.5 ratio. I know the stop loss is very high, especially on the 4 hours. But you know, if I scale in, let's go on the 1 hour quickly. If I scale in, we can definitely get a stop loss to be around like, yeah, just above like this low over here, definitely, for sure. So yeah, look, 1 to 4, 1 to 5 ratio, still very, very good ratios we got. So we got Euro USD having a 1 to 5 ratio, sorry, 1 to 3 ratio, GP USD a 1 to 4 ratio, let's just say, because obviously you've got TP1 and TP2. So like, you know, 1.3, 1 to 4, 1 to 3 ratios, still really, really good ratios. Let's look at gold, because gold is a pair that I've been trading for so long, and I know you guys have been waiting for this one. So we're going to look at gold. Is there any other pairs that we need to look at before we go to gold? Should we look at Euro JPY as well? A market is just crazy. If I just show you guys, the reason why I don't do market analysis for this is because it's just too crazy. It's moving sideways. I don't really like it at the moment. I did trade it over here, but it's too messy at the moment. There's nothing for my liking. Yeah, if you do trade Euro JPY, I'm definitely seeing like this kind of market where it just continues to go down. Maybe not that low, but definitely come back down here. You can see prices just rejected the 156.750 area. So my Euro JPY is messy, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't look at it last week because it's just doing this crazy range. Let me just show you guys. Just doing this crazy range over here, where it just keeps going up and down. More even like, it's like this, where it keeps going up and down. Basically, this is a horrible market. Even though it's making lows, as you can see, we got a low over. Let me just draw. We got a low over here, right? Then we got a low over here. That's not even a good low. That's the low, and then we also got another low over here. So we are on a downwards market. We can see, but it just moves way too much. Look at the liquidity that we had over here. Look at this trap that it got a lot of traders in. You know, who thought that, you know, we're at the trend line, let's go down. Didn't do that, but it definitely will go down. Euro JPY, definitely that's something that I am looking at in the market. But Euro JPY, if I am going to look at it, I will do a separate video for that, because at the moment it's too hectic. But yeah, let's look at GBP. Honestly, guys, JPY is something that I have not traded. I don't even like trading this pair. Every time I've traded this pair, guys, I have lost in the markets. Now, if you have a pair that you just don't have a good relationship with, just don't bother trading. Like, for example, JPY, I haven't traded this pair in so long. Every time I trade this pair, I've made a loss. It's just because I don't really like the way the pair moves. It's not that great. Especially, like, you can see over here, this area right here is my area of interest, but the way it just bounces off it is just horrible. Like, fake outs, the way it just bounces off that, we could make potential crazy profits, but it's just a horrible market. Especially, like, it just doesn't know where it's going. If you guys do trade JPY and you have an idea, definitely let me know. Like, DM me and tell me, because this is a really it's a nice pair. Like, if you go on the 1 hour, if you go on the 1 hour, like, you can get into trades. You can trade this pair. Like, it's not a horrible pair to trade, but can you just see these like blocky areas? Like, I hate. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Yeah, I hate markets where it's like just blocky like this. I hate this stuff. Like, you physically just, it's horrible to trade this, because you think then price will break out, it's retest, but it's fake you guys out. Then it just goes all the way up, breaks out, retest. Not only was it retest once, but retest once, twice, 3, 4 times. Like, it is a horrible market. My area of interest, honestly, is if we're on the 4 hour chart, my area of interest is the 1.80 on the dot. Like, that's my area of interest. I'm interested in seeing what price does in that area. Other than that, I wouldn't make a video on that. It will just be a boring pair. USD JPY, again, I don't trade it. I don't trade USD JPY. Probably won't even do a market analysis on this, because it is a horrible, it's not really a horrible pair. I just don't like, the only Japanese yen that I like is Euro JPY. It moves nice, but even that, barely. Like, JPY pairs, I just don't like it. If I see an opportunity, I will trade it, but again, I just haven't been profitable in it. my pairs that I like, Euro JPY, Euro USD, and gold. Those are the pairs that I actually like. Gold is something that I really, really like. So let's get into gold now. We've been in this live stream for like half an hour. Let me just get a water break, guys. Let's drink some water. Make sure you lot are hydrated, especially when you're looking at the markets every single day. You're going to need to be hydrated. Make sure you are hydrated. Let's just cancel these alerts. You can see I'm an alert king because I have alerts for days. I always have crazy alerts. This is literally my last week alerts I had for last week. Gold, Euro JPY, Euro USD, gold. There's usually more, but I just cancel them. Makes my life a little bit easier. But yeah, let's look at gold. So previously last week, let me see if you lot on my Instagram, you lot will see that I post gold practically every day on Instagram. I post trade ideas, trades on gold. Yeah, I literally trade gold every single day. Gold is one of my favorite currency pairs. We've had a huge crash in the market. Literally within the last within 8 hours? Within 8 hours we saw, you know, price go from 1875 to all the way to 18450 basically. And it's crazy. 1875 to 1850, that's like what, 250 pips? That's crazy. You know, that is within 8 hours. That is crazy. Gold is like moving crazy, especially like since, you know, 25th of September. Well, way before that actually. Since the 20th of September, we've just seen gold crashing down. Like it, obviously we see gold, you know, making its way down, but the way it's crashed, not one bit of retracement. Like we did have last week a bit of retracement, which was horrible in my opinion, because it was very hesitant with the retracement. And when it did retrace, well, I'll show you guys why I missed out on opportunities. I posted it, I saw the market, I just never entered. Firstly, because it was a Friday. I don't enter the market on a Friday, which I'm very, very annoyed that I didn't enter the market. But also because the market was just moving crazy, and I explained this to you guys. So we were on, if you just go on the 1 hour chart. So I drew a consolidation box. Let's go on to 50 minutes actually. So first of all, just looking at this trade here was literally a continuation. I saw a bit of like the market moving blocky. I was like, okay, cool. We're definitely going downwards. We're definitely hitting 1890. If we're gonna break through 1900, we're definitely going to 1890. That's without a doubt is gonna make it there, especially on the higher time frames. It was clear as day that price is going this way. So I was like, you know what, I have to enter this market. I need to make some money. I had a 1-to-3 ratio. It was similar. It was, yeah, around 1-to-3 ratio. It was a good trade. Literally, I had barely any drawdowns. Really, really nice trade. But then over here, it comes to Friday. So from Wednesday to Friday, so Friday was, I'll show you guys where Friday was. This is Friday. This is all of Friday, by the way, okay? So Wednesday to Thursday, we are on consolidation. So I traded on Wednesday morning. But then later on throughout the day, now I was kind of gutted because I should have really traded gold to 1880. There was no reason for me to. I saw this kind of drawdown. I thought, okay, cool. This retracement. I thought, okay, cool. We might be making our way back up to 1900. For some reason, I thought that was going to happen, but it didn't. It just continued going down. I could have entered again over here. So many entries I missed out over here, but I just didn't do it. And it's fine. You do miss opportunities in the market. It's not bad. There's nothing to worry about. But then I drew this retracement. Retracement. I drew this consolidation right here, which basically a consolidation is where the market just moves sideways. For me, this is the market moving sideways. This is, bearing in mind, this is a 50-minute time frame. So I'm waiting for price to break out, retest, and so I can just continue with the market, right? Because yes, if you're trading breakouts, you know, you can enter the market. Let's say you enter the market here, right? You can enter the market here, you know, keep a stop loss right over here, go for TP1. You can do that, but for me personally, I don't hop in the market too quick. I'm not really that type of trader. I'm normally the type of trader that if I got this, I'm definitely going to look for some sort of retracement. So if we just quickly do the replay bar right around, let's just say after this. So once price came to 1860, saw this retracement, and I was like, yeah, we're definitely, so let me just show you something. So if I just replay it, let me replay it to like around here. So when price broke out, I was like, okay, cool. What do we do at our breakout, right? What do we do, guys? If we have a consolidation box, we copy it and we mirror it below it, literally like this, okay? And I did so once it breaks this again, right? So when it broke this again, okay, we'll wait a couple more candles. When it broke that again, I was like, okay, cool. You know, another one, right? So this created like 3 consolidation box, basically targets, right? These are my targets. So if I continue this, I can continue my targets. So if I continue this again, for you guys, that will get me around TP2, which obviously is not exactly correct, but it's not exactly correct, but it is basically around there, right? Around that area. It might break TP2, but you know, it's going to be around TP2. But anyways, that's so we got around here. Then I saw that prices it was like rejecting, making its way up. So I was like, okay, cool. Right around here, I was like, my consolidation box is basically a replica. That's what you do when you have a consolidation box or a breakout box. That's what you do. And so then I was like, okay, cool. Price is definitely coming here, right? 1875. I said it on my Instagram. For you lot that are my Instagram followers, supporters, you lot saw that on Thursday, let me get the post up actually. Let me actually exactly say what I said. So on Thursday, archives. So was it Thursday? No, on Friday, the 29th of September, I said XAUSD broke out and now looking for a retest. Then I said looking to enter around 1875. This is at 1:40 p.m. right? 1:40. So this is on Friday, 1:40. So when market's gonna be around this area, right? Watch. So market then basically goes to my area of interest where I'm ready to enter. You know, I'm waiting. This is the evening, so I'm not even in the market this time. I'm literally waiting for the market to literally get to my area of interest. And look what price does, guys, okay? Look what price does. Now, bearing in mind, my key level is 1880, okay? So, boom. Price gets near my area, right? Let's just slow it down real quick. So, price gets near my area. I'm like, okay, cool, guys. It's around like 11 a.m., 9 a.m. This is when I'm looking at the markets. I'm like, okay, cool. Price is going to here. I'm most likely going to go for a sell, literally around here. Stop loss will definitely be like somewhere around there. And take profit, TP1, TP2. I had TP1 and TP2 on deck. I knew that price was going to 1850, especially the way price has been going recently. I knew that price was going to 1850, but I just didn't know if it's going to make it by the end of the week, which was crazy because it did do that. It made it by the end of the week. And then, so look, guys, what happened? So this is why I missed opportunity because I was too busy analyzing the market and I just missed out on my opportunity. So look, this is what happens. So price gets to my area of interest right here, right? Price gets to my area of interest. And I was kind of mad because it didn't give me any sort of rejection kind of thing. Obviously, if I go on to the 5-minute time frame, it's a clear doji right here. Clear, right? Clear rejection candlestick. It's clear as day that it's going to make its way. It's going to crash any second, right? It's crashing, right? Once it's broken, I could have probably had multiple entries, but for some reason, I didn't enter. It was a Friday. I don't enter on Fridays, and it was kind of annoying in my head. But we're gonna rinse out them. We're gonna rinse out the market next week. But anyways, price then gets to if I just continue playing, go on the 15-minute chart quickly. Price gets to my TP1, and I was like, whoa. Didn't even give me a chance to enter, even when I missed an opportunity of entry. Didn't even give me a chance to enter, which was kind of annoying. And I was like, okay, cool, TP1, okay, cool. Are we gonna hit TP2? I was like, no way. We're like around like 3:15, New York Open, right? This is literally on New York opening, by the way, right? 2:30, crash, right? So the market's crashed. So I'm like, okay, cool. Market's crashed. Probably could see like a little entry. Missed out on another entry over here, guys. So annoying. But again, it's around 4. I don't even trade around this time. So, but market ends up going to, if we just see, look, ends up going to TP2 and just breaks it and retests, right? And that's where the market is now. So where we're seeing price heading to, we can now delete TP1 and TP2 because that has done its thing. We can delete all these consolidation blocks, but clearly we don't need it no more. Let's clear up this chart for you guys. Ooh, what's going on? We're not going to keep this. Let's delete all of these because we don't need it, because price ain't going to go there anytime soon. 1900, we don't need to see this. Let's go on a 4 hour quickly. Let's just clean up our chart. We don't need to see 1910. We are very far away from that. If price goes there, I'll mark it back up again. We're just going to clear out our charts. Come out of the replay bar. So what do I see price doing? So definitely want to see, if I just go on the big screen, I don't know why I'm not on the big screen. We have a look at what price. So we look at 1840. You can see we did have some sort of rejection over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 18. So if we've got 1850, I don't think 1800 is even something that. So let's go for 1840. Yeah, let's go for 1840. So around 1840 around here. Let's just make it exactly 1840. That's an area of, that's the next levels, and the next key level 1830. You know, every 100 pips or so, we'll just put key level. And let's just have a look at the market. Yeah, clear as day that we're gonna see gold. Clear as day we're gonna see gold just crash down here. It would be nice to see gold crash down here. If I just extend this real quick, extend it. Can I extend it? No, because it's array. Okay, I can't extend it. But if we see in the past over here, we have a look at 1840, or yeah, 1840. If I just quickly draw a little area at 1840, right? Little area 1840. This is like 1840, right? This whole area. Look at the way price is just rejecting at 1840. So there's a nice key level. Again, if we look at 1830 right here, again, nice key level. So 1840, 1830 is my next levels if price continues to go downwards. But let's just look at where we could see price heading to. So yeah, really nice. Now that I look at it, it's so simple. Like, you know, rejection at 1880, should have seen that coming, but didn't see that coming. Created lower lows, definitely seeing some sort of push to the downside. Really strong end of the week. So it is CPI news next week as well, and NFP as well. So it will be a week to look at. It will be a week to see. But looking at the market with gold, I'm definitely trying to see price get to around, you know, let me look at the 50 minutes again. Let's actually have a look. Yeah, I'm definitely trying to see price just push down. Literally push down. And let me just, let me actually click that by accident. Let me replicate this down here. Replicate this down here. Okay, yeah, that's definitely looking at price like hesitating here, but then just pushing down, maybe going to mid levels and just keep pushing down and doing that. I would love to see gold do that. I know gold won't do that. We probably are going to see some sort of we're definitely going to see some sort of level of retest around this area as well. So make sure you have 1860, 1850, 1840 and 1830 in mind. I doubt price is going to be going to 1900. I doubt it. I doubt price is going to 1900 anytime soon. If it does, then that will be a miracle for gold. That'll be something that we'll definitely have to trade. But yeah, definitely, if we're going to see, definitely 1840. By the end of next week, we are definitely going to see 1840 and 1860. I know price is going to make that adjustment and just catch a lot of sellers out over here that are keeping that tight stop loss. Because if I was trading right now, you know, keeping that tight stop loss, bearing in mind this is the 50-minute chart, but if we keep a tight stop loss, let's say we enter right there, keeping a tight stop loss basically just above this support that we had, or resistance now, and then targeting obviously over here, you know, 1 to 2.5 ratio, or even targeting all the way down here, which is a 1 to 5 ratio. Let's just say we go here. Price is going to stop me out. It's obvious, guys. Price is going to stop me out. So make sure that you are prepared for some sort of retracement first. Looking at, I can't really do a fib on the 15 minutes. It's not really going to make too much of a, it's not really going to be too much. It's not going to give me any information on the 15. Like, even if I did a fib over here, like around this area, it's not really giving me too much information. It's basically saying, you know, price is going to get there, retrace. But it's not giving me too much information. So we definitely want to see what price is going to do. I think price would go to 1860 before 1840. Let me know, guys, on the comments down below what you guys think. 1860 to 1840 for sure. Yeah, that would actually be nice. Like, basically the way I'm seeing it is like price go there first and then make it there. That would be really nice. But yeah, I made a little water break again because I haven't done a live stream in ages, and basically spoke for like half an hour, more than half, like 45 minutes. So yeah, guys, that's it for all my analysis. Is there any currency pair that you guys want me to check before I leave, you guys? Is there anything else? Write down in the comments down below. Almost an hour in this live stream. Make sure you guys do check out my Instagram. Make sure you guys do check out my Discord server. I will be back on Discord, guys. Don't worry too much. I know you guys are saying, I had a lot of message DMs yesterday. Sorry, on Friday. Yeah, yesterday. Which was like, you know, you're posting all this on Instagram. Why are you not sharing these trades on Discord? I will be back. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to be back on Discord. I'm just trying to figure out a routine for my YouTubers, because my YouTube supporters always will come first, because before I set up everything, before I set up the Instagram, before I set up the Discord, YouTube was my first social media platform where I basically show my trades. So it's only right that I get back on YouTube properly before I do any Discord or any type of Instagram. Always going to be there behind the scenes as well, because I know you guys love behind the scenes, but YouTube is definitely something that I need to work on primarily, and Discord will come soon, guys. So make sure you keep joining my Discord. Don't worry, because once we get back in trading, you guys know, once I start sending in them trades, you lot are all making money. We're all going to be making money together. So make sure you go check that out. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to this live stream, or if you have seen my live streams before. Make sure you subscribe, because I don't know why you haven't yet. We're literally trying to get it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's hope that we can do that, guys. But other than that, guys, with the live stream, I think we're done. I think we're done for the day. So this is my market analysis for the week. We did Euro USD, GP JPY, GP USD, and gold. That's my forecast for the week. Those are the pairs I want to be looking at. If I do look at any other pairs, make sure you go and check it out on my Instagram. I will definitely post it on Instagram. If not, I'll do a video for you guys rather than a live. So anyways, I hope you lot enjoyed this live stream. I know it's long-winded, I know, but I'd rather do weekly analysis on a live stream rather than doing a video, because short forming it, making it into 10 minutes, cutting and editing is long for me. I don't like editing. Honestly, I just want to give you lot raw footage. But if I could, but I can't, because my videos will be an hour long every single time. But, you know, we try and make it at least, you know, 10 minutes. Well, not an hour long, it'll probably be half an hour. But we try and make it at least 10 minutes when I edit. So let's, this is a live stream, guys, of my weekly analysis. So let's keep this running. Make sure you guys check it out. It's always going to be every Saturday around this time. It might not be this time. This might be a little bit too late for you guys. But so I'll probably do it in the afternoon so that you guys can see in the evening. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this live stream. I know I've been talking a lot. It's time for you lot to look at the market. It's time for you lot to check out the market. So other than that, guys, I'll see you later.